Justwealth pricing explained what you get for your money. Justwealth is a Canadian robo-advisor that offers managed investment portfolios tailored to your goals. Many people assume robo-advisors are expensive, but Justwealth keeps fees competitive and transparent. The platform charges a management fee starting at 50% per year for portfolios up to 0. This covers portfolio design, automatic rebalancing, and personalized advice. For portfolios above 0, fees decrease to 40% annually. There are no setup fees or hidden charges. Most people get this wrong by comparing robo-advisors to traditional advisors who charge 1% or more. For example, its 0 portfolio with Justwealth costs annually, whereas a traditional advisor would charge or more for similar services. The platform also provides tax-efficient accounts like TFSs, RISPs, and RESPs. The surprising truth is that Justwealth combines automated investing and professional guidance, offering access to a diversified portfolio, risk assessment tools, and goal tracking, all for a fraction of traditional advisory costs. In conclusion, Justwealth pricing is straightforward, value-driven, and ideal for Canadians seeking low-cost, managed portfolios. Understanding management fees and portfolio tiers ensures you get professional investment services without overpaying.